Okay, our equation tells us that a club has 86 members with 14 more female members than male members. And then what we need to find out is how many male and female members are there in this club. From the first part we've got here, we can see, get rid of that we have 86 members, okay? And we've got two variables. We've got male and females, okay? So let's use that to create the first equation. So M plus F equals 86. And we'll call that equation 1. Now, what other information can we get from what we've got up here? We're also told that there's 14 more females than males. Okay, so from that we can say, okay, the number of males plus 14 equals the number of females. And we'll call that equation 2. Okay, now we're going to solve these two equations using simultaneous equations and a method called substitution. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1 and solve for m. So by doing that, we come up with a third equation, which is where we go here, where f here goes over here. So we can see that if we put this here for the f, we'll come up with a third equation, which is 2m plus 14 equals 86. Now, to solve for m, we need to firstly get rid of the 14. So what we do is we'll take 14 off both sides. Okay, we'll end up with 2m equals 72. Okay, so we took 14 off this side, and we took 14 off that side. Okay, so to get to m, we divide both sides by 2. So then we get m equals 36. So what we're thinking right now is there's 36 males in the club. How are we going to work out how many females in the club? I can see I've got a number up here. Equation 1, if I put 36 into there, I've got two numbers. So I should just be able to take one away from the other and get the number of females. So let's do that. So let's put this number here, m equals 36, into equation 1 up here. So what we've got is 36 plus f equals 86. Okay, now we take 36 off both sides. Like with the same principle we've done down here, we're just trying to isolate f. So we'll take minus 36 off this side, and minus 36 off this side. And we'll end up with an equation that tells us f equals 50. F equals 50. Okay. Now, what we've got, so at the moment we're saying there's 36 males in the club and 50 females in the club. Now, we always want to check our results to make sure that they add up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the number of males, which is 36, and substitute it into equation 2. So we're going to put this 36 up here. So now we're going to come up with 36 plus 14 equals f. Okay. So 36 plus 14, 50 equals f. Okay. Which aligns with our number up here. So we can now safely say, based on what we've solved up above, that in this club there are 50 female members and 36 male members, for a total of 86. Okay. And that aligns with our 86 that we've got up there. Now, we could also solve this equation using elimination, but we'll save that for the next video. Look forward to seeing you in my next recording. All the best. Like my ending there. That's very YouTube, mate.